And also, I would like to thank Joe Box for giving me the opportunity to clear up a number of misconception, misperception, misapprehension, misconstrue ideas primarily neurotypical individuals have or their perceptions of atypical individuals. When we say atypical, we refer to individuals who fall outside the spectrum of neurotypicals. That include mental disorder, spectrum disorders, chronic disorders. It includes high functioning autism, Asperger's syndrome, borderline savants, weirdos, geeks, nerds, quirky individuals, eccentric individuals. Borderline savants, weirdos, geeks, nerds, quirky individuals, eccentric individuals, and just individuals who fall outside the spectrum of what our proverbial term